evening for Tigger. So we've been doing lots of disengage work, just very passively. So standing in our room and feeding him for disengaging. So he'll look at something with his ears up, and then once he comes away from that and checks in, he gets a treat. He's been doing lots of listening to the dogs behind the door. So ears up, big listening, and then just, I know, there's lots going on outside the door there. Good boy. So reward for that disengage, which is very good. Obviously he thinks those noises are exciting. The other thing that I wanted to show you guys is an impulse control game, because of course leash activity, especially for this young man, is excitement based, so we want to teach him how to control that excitement. Tigger! Thank you for coming. So it's called It's Your Choice. So his behavior is going to dictate how many snacks he gets. So I'm just closing my hand. You can see he's biting at it. Oh, he sat instead, so we're gonna reward that. So it's his choice. If he wants to continue to bite at my hand, he can just bite until the cows come home, or he can do something else. So we're teaching him to go past his impulses and think, is what I'm doing working? This is so nice, so polite. So once he's good, consistently offering settling behaviors for when the hand is closed, you can move to when the hand is open. Oh, that's a better choice. So I open it. So I'm giving him constant feedback. If he goes for it, the hand is closed. He's looking over there because there's a sound, so he won't 100% understand that. However, that's okay. Good boy for disengaging. Good boy. So there was a second of pause there. It's also important not to feed him out of your hand because we want there to be a set of rules. Good boy, little pause. Because dogs are impulsive creatures, it's totally ingrained in them, that's okay. We just need you to do more thinking with your brain, right? You can, you're a very smart boy. Try again. Big pause there. Good. Gives me eye contact. That's what we want. Wow. Because you wanted to ask so politely. Good boy. So I would definitely keep practicing with the engage, disengage, and do some impulse control games with you. It's your choice. You can do this with food. You can do this with the door. Like if he's a door barger, you can slowly open the door, and if his butt comes off the ground, door is closed. So his behavior gets to decide when he goes out the door. Or you can do this with your leash as well, so his behavior dictates. If he's pulling, he can't go any further. If he's got a loose leash, he can go. So I would definitely do a mix of all of those. Thanks, guys. Take care.